In 2011, our creative team set out to create an iconic out-of-home campaign for eBay. They knew they had to do a takeover of 200,000 square feet of a BART station that highlighted eBay's mobile capabilities, displayed product, and had a holiday theme. But it should probably include a dog. Feel very friendly, but not too friendly. Couldn't offend cat people. Couldn't offend animal rights activists. Felt personal, without including people. Should be memorable, without trying too hard. Maybe there'd be a celebrity, or a different celebrity, a different celebrity. Okay, no celebrity. Hey, what happened to the dog? And what's up with all that stuff? And that background? You know what, And the result was the 2011 holiday BART Station Takeover.
Yeah, I kind of miss the pink.